Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Angela. Sorry about my voice. I have been fighting some type of bag. So I have been under the weather, which explains why I haven't been able to post consistently like I was in the previous weeks. But in this video, I'm going to talk to you guys about everything surrounding blogging. So if you want to start a blog but don't know where to start and you're just beating yourself and don't know what resources to utilize to start your blog, this is the video for you. So if you want to learn how to start your blog without hustling and go into all kinds of lengths to figure out how to start, just stay tuned. To start a blog, you're going to need two things. You're going to need a blogging platform and a hosting provider. So what the blogging platform is essentially this service where you're able to publish your content on the internet, and then the hosting provider is the service that provides you space on their servers to publish your content. So you're always going to need two things: one, a blogging platform, and then a hosting provider. Now there's a ton of services out there, blogging platforms, blogging hosting providers. What I do use is WordPress, and disclaimer, this is not a sponsored video. These are my true opinions on the services that I use, and I decided to create this video so you guys can have a resource to utilize, a go-to resource like this video when you're starting your blog. When I started, I had no idea how to start a blog, and I did not get any professional help. I did everything on my own. I did all my research because I wanted it to be my thing, and it just meant so much value to me because it was mine. I owned it. I did my research. I studied everything by myself. So I do recommend WordPress. It's one of the most used blogging platforms out there, and I have been using it since 2016 when I started my blog, and it has been amazing. I have no complaints. So one thing I like about it is that it's very user-friendly. However, it's not one of those services where you can call in to get customer service. You have to pretty much figure everything out on your own. However, they do have a lot of forums that have people going on there asking questions. So 99.9% of a chance your questions are going to always be there on the forums. You just have to go in and just do your research and do your digging, and you will find those answers. I remember it was so hard for me to get a hold of customer service. Like, I would email. There's actually no actual email for WordPress, but I would have to figure out a way to get a hold of somebody, those people that would respond to questions in the forum, the people from WordPress. But it was always so hard for them to get back to me, so I always just utilized those forums, which indeed really helped. Now with WordPress, your platform, it does have a marketplace, and in this marketplace you can go on and purchase themes. Now the theme is the aesthetic of your blog, how your blog is going to look, the layout, the font size, all that fun stuff. That's what your theme will do. There's a whole bunch of themes, a whole bunch of vendors that provide themes, and of course you don't have to use the marketplace on WordPress. You can always use any other service out there, but I do recommend the marketplace because it's incorporated with WordPress, and it's easier for you to integrate everything into your blog. So they do have the marketplace, and they have a whole bunch of services. I'm going to link everything in the description below so you can check out WordPress and see if it works for you, and definitely do your research on WordPress. I mean, I am speaking highly on it because that's what I use and it's been amazing. But if you want to do your research and just look at reviews, definitely do that. You definitely want to put your money where it's worth because you're working for it. You work for your money. So I do use, for the hosting service, I do use Bluehost. Bluehost has been amazing to me. I mean, I cannot complain. For Bluehost, they do have customer service 24/7. I mean, at 2 a.m. I have a problem with my blog. I literally call in and they help. They're amazing, and you don't have to stay on the line waiting to get a hold of a customer service representative. They are quick. Bluehost has been amazing to me. If you have any technical issue with your blog, if you have, anything, any error message coming up, you can always call Bluehost, which is the hosting provider that I use, and they always help me. Now, the thing with blogging or even starting a website, you can either choose to have it personalized or not have it personalized. So what I mean with personalized is, so you see how my blog says stylesynopsis.com. So if you want to have that .com, that's what personalized means. So it's your own domain name. Now, if you do not want it, if you don't let me backtrack a little bit. So if you want to pay for your services, so that is, you want to pay for your platform, and if you don't want to pay for your platform and your hosting provider, there's a catch. So for example, if I didn't pay for my services, it would be stylesynopsis.wordpress.com. Do you see how that sounds? It's not fun. It's telling people that, oh, this is actually not her site, it's for WordPress. But if you want it to be personalized, then you have to pay some money for it to be personalized and to be your own thing. Now, it's not a huge amount of money you're paying. I literally pay $200 every year for Bluehost, and you can choose how to pay. If you want to pay 3 months, which is like $36, I think. It really depends. They give you options. You can pay monthly, you can pay yearly, you can pay for 3 months, for 3 years. It just depends on how much you want to spend. But $200 a year, I mean, that's pocket change. It's not that expensive. And for WordPress, I believe you just pay a one-time fee, and it wasn't really expensive as well. The themes as well, you have to pay for them. They're not free. I think for my theme, I pay $30 every 6 months. You know, it's really cheap, you guys, if you think about it. And if this is something that means so much to you, you really want to blog, and you don't want to start because you don't know where to start, just do it. Don't think about it. It's something you're passionate about, just do it, and don't worry, you will figure it out. You're not going to get all the answers in one sitting. You just have to go through a lot of bumps to learn. I definitely look at my blog 3-4 years ago, and I compare it to now, and I see so much growth that I have had throughout my blogging process. You want to follow a lot of people that have been in the business for so long, just learn a few tips and tricks from them, and just use those as learning materials. Definitely don't try to copy what somebody else is doing. Have your own twist on things, make it your own, because if you try to copy people, then they're gonna know that you're not authentic and it's not your own content. So play with it, feel comfortable, just do it. I always tell people, if you want to blog, just do it, because you just never know. You never know where life is gonna take you. I just noticed I've been talking without my microphone on. I hope you guys can hear me, because it will suck if I have to repeat this whole thing again. But anyways, I hope this video was so helpful for you guys. If you have any questions, just feel free to message me in my social media. I'm always open to answering any questions about blogging. I definitely didn't have anybody to go to. If you have questions, if you have any inquiries about my blogging process, what I did, I mean, I've told you what I did, but just little things that come up, just feel free to reach out to me, and I'll definitely tell you what I did and what my process was. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and comment in this video. Hit the subscribe button and the bell for notifications, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.